gonna change your life. So stick with me, because we about to get in that business. We really about to— Why did I just square up, y'all? Violence is not the answer. I just be doing anything on here. We really about to get into that business. When I tell you, I am so excited for today's video. What's up, and welcome back to 30 Days of Pouring Into Ourselves with your host, me. If you're new here, this is where we spend about 10 minutes of our day affirming each other with words of love and light, sharing some dope music, because I have some of the best music taste in the world. I am biased. And I ask you guys questions to pick your brain and get you thinking and just get you curious about life, because that's what life is about, being curious and loving hard. Okay, well, for today's video, I'm just diving straight in so we can get to the good part. The song of the day today is Wait a Little Longer by Snow Allegra. She's so good. I love Snow Allegra. She has such a healing, powerful voice, and I had to share that song. I want you to drop a project if you're hearing this, Miss Snow. But moving forward into picking your brain for the day, my question for you is, who checks on you? It could be you, it could be someone else, but I want to know. Who checks on you, if anybody's checking on you? I do these daily polls, or I used to kind of do daily polls more, but I do daily polls on my IG stories, and the amount of people that like respond to those daily polls, I'm like, oh my gosh, who is checking on them? Because there's plenty of people who just watch my story normally and just, you know, watch and just go. But when I put the polls, I'll show you an example of what I'm talking about. When I put a poll and I like make it creative, I'm like, how's your day going? Like, what are you feeling like? Oh, today I'm feeling like SpongeBob. Today I'm feeling like Sandy. Today I'm feeling like Mr. Krabs. Like things like that, where it gets people kind of like thinking about whatever they're going through or however they're feeling about their day in a different way. I really like to do, and I recognize now like how impactful it is, and it just gets people, I don't know, to interact, engage. But moving forward, we are now at the meat and the potatoes of this video. I do not want you watching this video if you're not ready, to be honest, because this video was inspired by a creator. I'm going to show the video on the screen.
Do not say this unless you are ready for a brand new reality. My life is positively upshifting every single day.
Lauren Janelle, thank you. I saw a reel and I was like, oh my gosh, we're kind of already doing this, but we're gonna do it now. We're gonna do it now, because what we're doing every day by doing our affirmations, we're using words as spells. We're literally calling forth light into our lives, and that's what I'm here to do with you. You could be consuming like anyone else's content, but you're here every single day tapping in to things that are giving back to you, or at least I think that's what they're doing. I don't know why you're here. Maybe you just want to watch. I don't know. I took like 30 minutes writing out some in-depth, some hardcore affirmations that are gonna change your life. So stick with me. Oh, and don't forget to like this video, because there's other people who want to see it too. Make sure that when you're saying this, you really try to just feel into what we're saying, into what you're repeating. If you have to just listen for the first time, just listen. So without further ado, let's take our 3 deep breaths, and on the third one, make it be the deepest one you've taken for the day. Okay? Ready? And inhale. And exhale. And inhale. And exhale. Final one, make it deep. And inhale. And exhale. That's some good stuff. Today I call forth blessings to enter my life in real time. I am not surprised nor shocked to see good news coming forth at this time. I know that I am deserving of these blessings and so much more. I recognize that the amount of blessings I will receive is unlimited. And I say thank you for each and every one that comes my way. I am confident in my abilities to succeed, and the universe sees this now. And guides me accordingly. I inspire and nurture my spirit on a daily basis, connecting with the divine. As my crown chakra is balanced and even. I have complete trust in my intuition and ability to make firm decisions. As my third eye chakra is balanced and even. I communicate my truths clearly and openly. As my throat chakra is balanced and even. I love effortlessly and with compassion. As my heart chakra is balanced and even. I do everything with confidence and poise. We're going to say that again because I didn't hear you. I do everything with confidence and poise. As my solar plexus chakra is balanced and even. I know that's right. I allow my creativity to flow and guide my movement. As I embrace my sensual nature in healthy ways. Because my sacral chakra is balanced and even. Not the iPad making a debut. I feel both secure and safe at this time. As my root chakra is balanced and even. Because all of my chakras are in alignment, it is easy for me to move with poise and grace. At this time, I am walking in my true nature, embracing my highest form of self. I am expanding my consciousness to make space for divine messages to come through. I am expanding my consciousness to make space for divine messages to come through. I am able to receive the blessings as I have come to learn the lessons that I've needed to. I am able to receive the blessings as I have come to learn the lessons that I've needed to. I am calm and at ease, knowing that all opportunities that are coming to me at this time were meant for me. I am calm and at ease, knowing that all opportunities that are coming to me at this time were meant for me. I am giving myself the love, compassion, and honor to embrace my blessings. I am answering the call to receive the blessings that have my name on it. Nobody else's. I am answering the call to receive the blessings that have my name on it. I am ready for everything I know to be shifted in a way that best suits my highest good. I am ready for everything that I know to be shifted in a way that best suits my highest good. You feel it working already? Everything I do is in flow and alignment with my highest good. From right there, we're going to take a pause and continue the rest of those affirmations tomorrow, because I want you to sit with those and really, really feel into everything that you're saying. You're saying that you're ready to make a decision that is best for you at a moment's notice. Because you are ready, because all of your chakras are in alignment, because you know that you have everything that you need at this time to succeed, because you know that you've learned the lessons that you needed to in this past season, and you're ready to use them and apply them as wisdom and knowledge to move forward into the next season, to receive the blessings in the next season. I cannot wait to see the blessings that the universe has for you. Because ain't no way that you work this hard and you look this good to be sitting here thinking that everybody else is getting blessed and not you. No, your blessings are special, unique, and sacred and have your name on it. That is why you're watching other people get their blessings. Yeah. Yours is saved for you. Universe has just been waiting for you to say, hey, I'm ready. And look, this is you saying, hey, I'm ready. I'm ready to walk in who I am. I'm ready to not care about what these other people know about me. You know why? Because you're constantly evolving. You're seeking growth and change. You're becoming a new version. So it's natural for some people to not understand you or what that looks like, because they are not you. You are special. You are unique. You are you, one of one. And the journey is just getting started. We're just beginning. It's just begun. So stick with me for yourself, not for me, because I'm gonna do what I do naturally, but I want you to move in flow, move with ease, and know that no matter what you do, you are aligning with your highest good, the highest healed version of yourself. And oh my gosh, the camera battery is about to die. But I will see you tomorrow. Love and light to you. Take care. Bye.